When you search for the best tools to remove tile, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Saker Silicone Caulking Tool. First up is the Saker Silicone Caulking Tool, a 3-in-1 grout removal tool that caught my eye with its multifunctionality. Priced at just $12.99, it's marketed as a bestseller, and if you want an easy way to manage grout and sealants, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this tool could be a game changer for you. It combines an internal angle scraper, a flat angle scraper, and a silicone smoother into one handy device. This means you can easily remove old caulk, seal gaps, and apply new silicone without the mess. The stainless steel blade is sharp and tough, perfect for tackling those stubborn grout lines. Plus, the design allows for a smooth application, saving you time and frustration. With over 8,400 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, it's clearly popular for a reason. Now, some users mention that the plastic end can wear down if used on harder surfaces, which could be an issue for some. But honestly, for most home projects, this won't be a deal breaker, especially if you're mindful of how you use it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile and user-friendly tool for home improvement. Skip this one if you're dealing with heavy-duty tile removal, as it's more for sealing and minor repairs. For the price, it's a solid investment for anyone needing a little help with caulking and grout. Now, if the versatility of the Saker tool isn't what you need, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Firecore SDS Chisel Set. Next, we have the Firecore SDS Chisel Set, priced at $19.99. This set includes 4 chisel bits and has a 4.6-star rating, making it a great choice for those ready to tackle serious tile removal. If you want to break through tough materials without breaking a sweat, this is definitely worth a look. The standout feature here is the 40 CR Mo alloy steel construction, which means it's durable and designed to handle tough jobs without easily snapping. Each chisel bit is 10 inches long and includes a point chisel, flat chisel, scaling chisel, and tile chisel, making it adaptable for various applications. It's compatible with most rotary hammers, which is crucial if you're already equipped with tools. With over 600 purchases in the last month, it's clear that DIY enthusiasts and contractors trust this product. However, some reviews pointed out that the bits can dull with extensive use. Look, here's the thing. If you plan to use them heavily, just keep an eye on their condition and be ready to replace them when necessary. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for an all-in-one chisel set for tough tile projects. Skip this one if you only need a simple tool for minor repairs. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who prefer a more hands-on approach. Product number 3, SRUDOKIN Razor Blade Scraper. Coming in at just $6.97 is the SRUDOKIN Razor Blade Scraper. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 3,400 reviews, this tool is a favorite for cleaning up adhesive messes. If you need something straightforward and effective, this might be the tool for you. What's great about this scraper is its versatility. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to use, allowing you to scrape off stickers, labels, and even old caulk without much effort. It's compact and designed for easy blade changes, which can save you a ton of time on cleanup. Users appreciate how its 4-inch width cleans a larger area than smaller scrapers, making it efficient for quick jobs. One issue some users experienced was the need for careful handling to avoid damaging surfaces while scraping. But honestly, if you use it as intended, this shouldn't be a huge problem. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable scraper for various materials around your home. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty tile removal solution, as it's more for cleaning than demolition. For under $7, it's a steal for anyone needing a simple yet effective tool. Now, if you need something designed specifically for grout and tough cleaning tasks, the next product might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, RETRE Grout Removal Tool. Next up is the RETRE Grout Removal Tool, priced at $12.69. This tool has a solid 4.4-star rating from 2,400 reviews, making it a reliable choice for removing grout and caulking. If you want something specifically for getting into tight spaces, this could be your go-to. This tool features multiple tips that make it incredibly versatile. The super hard tungsten steel tips mean it can endure tough jobs, which is essential when you're dealing with stubborn materials. With its ergonomic handle, you can work efficiently without straining your hands, which is a big plus for extended projects. However, some users felt that it could be a bit tricky to handle if you're not used to such specialized tools. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes a breeze, especially for detailed work. This is perfect for you if you're focusing on DIY projects that require precision and detail. Skip this one if you're looking for a more general tool for broad applications. At this price, it's a great value for the precision it offers. Now, if you're tackling a full remodel and need something beefier, this last product is designed for those heavy-duty jobs. Product number 5, Goldblatt Trim Puller. Finally, we have the Goldblatt Trim Puller, priced at $22.35. With an impressive rating of 4.8 stars and over 10,100 reviews, this tool is ideal for those looking to remove trim and tile without damaging the surrounding area. If you want a reliable tool for serious remodeling, this one's worth considering. The sturdy construction from carbon and 65 Mn steel ensures durability, even under heavy use. Plus, the built-in spring design makes it easier to separate trim from walls, which is a game changer for your projects. Users love how versatile it is for everything from flooring to cabinets, making it a must-have for any remodeler. However, a few users mentioned that it can feel a bit heavy during prolonged use. Here's the thing, if you're working on multiple projects, it might require some adjustment, but the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're tackling larger renovation projects that require precision and care. Skip this one if you need a lightweight tool for small jobs. For the quality and effectiveness, it offers great value for the price. So to wrap it up, if you need versatility, the Saker tool is your friend. For serious demolition, the Firecore Chisel set is a powerhouse. The SRUDOKIN scraper is perfect for cleanup. The RETRE offers precision for grout work, and the Goldblatt Trim Puller is a must for remodels. Each tool has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your project best.